Welcome to this video on square and cube numbers. Let's look at square numbers first. 1 squared means 1 times 1. The answer is 1. So 1 squared equals 1. 2 squared means 2 times 2. The answer to 2 times 2 is 4. So 2 squared equals 4. 5 squared means 5 times 5. So the answer to 5 squared is 25. By the end of Key Stage 2, you need to know your square numbers up to 12 squared. 12 squared is 12 times 12, same as 144. You also need to be able to recognise and work out the answers to cube numbers. 1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. So 1 cubed equals 1. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. If you then times that by 5, the answer is 125. 10 cubed means 10 times 10 times by 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Times that by 10 again, and your answer is 1000. Let's have a look at a couple of questions using square and cube numbers. My first question is 8 squared plus 2 squared. 8 squared means 8 times 8, and the answer is 64. I'm going to write that underneath. 2 squared equals 4. So 64 add 4 equals 68. So 8 squared add 2 squared equals 68. My final question is 5 cubed take away 3 squared. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. 125 take away 9 is 116. So 5 cubed take away 3 squared equals 116. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.